sweets, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, still I'm trying to figure out or can figure out where I'm going to put everything. I'm in the process of technically remodeling, and yes, it is almost every time it is something different. But besides that, which I'm really happy that I'm finally having the time and the money to do so, I want to still film. So I finally got my Boxycharm. It took them a really long time to send it my way. For this month Boxycharm, it is Adore. It goes with the themes of San Valentine's and love and friendship and all the things that usually comes with this month. And I got a couple complexion things. I got brushes and one thing for hair. That's why my hair, it is looking like it is at the moment, because I already washed it. We're gonna start firstly with this one from Kate Sommerville. This is the KX Active Concentrates Bio-Mimiking Peptide Serum. I'm happy that I got this one because I was really giving it a lot of thought to buy something for myself that had peptides in it. This retails for $98, formulated to transform dual sagging skin into visibly firmer, smoother, refreshed looking skin. I like the packaging. It's heavy, by the way, and obviously it is a dropper. It says that how to use it is AM and PM. Apply 1 to 2 drops to clean skin. Use alone with other KX active concentrators or layer with serum or moisturizer. I have already moisturized my face, so let's see with what I'm gonna apply. 1 or 2 drops because I don't have with anything else to mix it. There is 2 drops. It isn't liquidy as much. It has a little bit of viscosity. I'm gonna rub it into my hands and I'm gonna press it into my skin. It has a really light scent, but I can pinpoint exactly where it is. Now the next product that I got, it is this Pure 4-in-1. This is the Correcting Primer Energize and Rescue. This retails for $17. Basically, you won't need anything else. You have everything that your skin will need in this. I really like the shift in color that it has. I'm gonna prime my face. It just has kind of a lotion appearance to it, and it doesn't say anything much about the application, just to apply it to dry, clean face, and I have that. So also it has a really light scent to it. Right off the bat, it's a little bit tacky to the touch, but the tackiness that you can get from a lotion, I really like the scent of the 2 products that I have already tried. The next product that I got, it is from Luxie. It is this Luxie Complete Sponge Set. This set of sponges provide a full array of applications. This retails for $40. First of all, I'm not a huge fan of sponges. I really rather like my brushes. It is a personal preference. I am a makeup artist by profession, also a nail technician, as you can probably see, and that's why I have one hand with long nails and I have one with short nails. But I don't like them because I think that they can develop a lot of bacteria, and that is not good for my clients. It doesn't offer a lot of hygiene. That's why I don't use them, or I don't use them. I only use the white ones that you can throw them away, and that helps to either apply the concealer or clean up the eye look or whatever, but I don't use sponges. So I think I'm gonna stick to the gray one because we have 3. I think that this probably be for powder because it has 2 angle edges, and I think this one is the one that I'm going to use for my foundation, and the little one I'm gonna use it for my concealer. It doesn't say anything else in the pack. package. So yeah, use them wisely. I have we rescued this dog, and he, for the love of God, he needs a lot of attention, so he's here with us today. But if you hear some crying, it is him asking for attention, a lot of it. So besides my little dog, this is how the gray sponge grew too, and the light pink one actually. I'm going to apply my foundation. By the way, I'm in the process of doing a foundation review, so far so good. I'm gonna use the angle part of the sponge, and I'm gonna dot it first into my complexion, and it has taken the entire 1/2 a pump that I put on the back of my head, and now I'm going to blend it into my skin. So far it is a little bit stiffer than a beauty blender and a Real Techniques. I think it is a deluxe miracle complexion sponge. It is the name of the one from Real Techniques, and it does a good job. But as I said, I'm not the best person to actually make an opinion of this because I don't use sponges regularly, so take my opinion with a grain of salt. But at least it isn't uncomfortable. Well, it's looking really good. I really like a light layering of foundation. I'm not into full coverage, as you may have already noticed. I'm almost 40, and I like to see full coverage foundation in other people rather than in myself. I think I age around 10 years with just one foundation application, so that's why I don't use it. And I like my skin to look like skin, actually. Spread it evenly. I really like the finish of it. I like the radiance that I have underneath my foundation. So far, so good. Now I'm gonna go for concealer. And with this one, I'm gonna use the small one. I'm going to contour just a little bit, and I'm gonna use my Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation Stick just to give a little bit of dimension to my face. Since I have the sponges, I'm going to take advantage of it, and I'm gonna use the same side that I use for the foundation. This will help it blend much easier into the rest of my complexion stuff. There. Now I'm going to set and do the rest of my complexion stuff, and then we're gonna come back when I start doing my eye look, because I have a brush set that I know that I'm going to enjoy. The next product that I got in my Boxycharm, it is this. This is the Moda Pro. Takes Moda to the next level. This line features a superiority, quality, filaments, and modern professional shapes. This retailed for $27.95. This was the product that I mentioned that I would love so much. In this kit, we have 5 brushes. I think they are in order, yeah. The first one, it is the shade BMX 466. That one, it is to apply color to your lid or use as a smarter blending brush to soften harsh lines. The second one, this one, it is my favorite brush, by the way. I already have that one. It is the crease, the BMX 430 brush. Define and blend the crease or use to buff over your entire lid. The third one, this one that has kind of a pencil shape, it is the detail, the BMX 420. The pointed tip on this eye brush is ideal for applying shadow or highlighting your inner corner. The fourth one, it is the smudge, the BMX 402, the perfect size for applying color on your upper and lower lash lines or smudging eyeliner for a soft, smoky look. And the last one, the angle one, is called Line BMX 498. Expertly line upper and lower lash lines with the chiseled edge. Also ideal for filling in brows. I have already done my eyebrows. I filled them with a pencil one. I didn't use a powder. I couldn't use this one, but regardless, we have this 5 brushes to work with. I will try my best to stick only to these 5 brushes to do my really easy breezy eye look. I'm going to prep my lid as always with my Milani eyeshadow primer. Just a touch of it in both of my mobile lids. I'm going to use the crease one first. It's really soft. It's making my work really easy. I'm working with a matte eyeshadow. Usually mattes can be a little more harder to blend than a metallic or a satin one, but this brush makes everything really easy. Now I'm gonna switch to the shade brush. It is a little more flat and dense in the upper part to intensify my outer corner. This one is a little bit, not stiff as in a bad way, a little more densely packed than the other one. I'm going to use the detail one to kind of try to do a really small liner. What I have left over in my brush, I'm gonna dust it in my bottom lashes. I'm gonna use the line one to be a lot more precise with the liner. I'm gonna place it really near my lash line. I'm gonna do the same thing in my bottom lashes. I'm gonna place it on top of them, just till the middle of my bottom lashes. And to use the last one that I have, use a really light shade to dust it in the rest of my bottom lashes, working it towards my inner corner. So sweets, this is it. This is what I got with all the products that I use from my Boxycharm from February. First of all, I will keep on trying the Kate Sommerville to see if it actually does anything, but with just this, I got my money's worth from this box. Luxie sponges. I'm not big of a fan of sponges, but this one did what it claims to do. But as I said, I'm not the best one to judge this because I rather use brushes than a sponge, but at least she did the job. She wasn't too stiff and too hard. She was actually in the middle of it, so I think overall performs as it should. The other thing that I got, it is this pure correcting primer. It has a little bit of a scent, the same as the Kate Sommerville. I did like it. I have been wearing my complexion makeup for 8 hours and still it is looking good. Yes, I look like all my oils are coming through, but I use a really light layer of foundation. As I said, I don't like heavy complexion makeup. I rather have a really heavy eye look and lips, but not complexion. And I like how my complexion is looking so far, so I'm really enjoying this. The eye brush set from Royal and Land Nickel from the Moda line of them. I love this line and all their brushes. I'm extremely happy that I got another one of my favorite brushes. Each one of them perform perfectly. They are really good, really affordable by the way, and love the handle part that it has that grip. I'm still in the process of testing is the hair one. I will apply it to my hair, blow dry it, and I will insert that clip to this video. This is the last product that I got in my Boxycharm. It is from Amika. This is the Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. I washed my hair this morning. It is damped, but it's not fully wet. So I'm going to apply this to my hair and I'm gonna quickly blow dry it. So this is how my hair looks, just blow dry. I'm not going to flat iron it. I like how it looks. It feels soft to the touch, at least that claim is correct. And about the shine, yeah, a little bit, but at least, yeah, I just have to like pass my hands on top of it and all the flyaways just behave, which I have a lot. And technically it really does what it claims. So I like this new product. So sweets, I hope you like this video. It is kind of a really different because I didn't got anything in the makeup section of it. I hope, as I said, you like it. Also, I hope that you're having a great week so far. And if you did like it, press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really appreciate it. And if you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the notifications bell. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.